Okada boy for that side for Long Street for Boya wey they call it say Gilbert. Okada people they don't cash and go wash and today for Sika plenty dirty wey e be there for his skin. Tomorrow we go surely turn back for that image after Okada people then say for Boya they join money buy soap, take brush and all thing for carry that Gilbert boy where he say they run Okada for go wash it. When we turn back for some time, we go surely bring another image for this side so for Equinox Story House. So for inside truck number for this afternoon, we go tell una as well some boy he hang na for that side so for Bafang country people them waiting he pass before this boy hang na so chapter for woman. Now so too we go tell una Palava Road for inside Douala here. We go take una go for Mabanda, inside Mabanda, some place there where they call and say John White. That people them when rain e fall for inside that quarter na different level. Water rain e dey pass and na so to peoples they no fit for waka. So for tori for this afternoon, we go tell una wetin e dey happen. 1 year today enact since wey Bishop Balaam e die. Na who kill am and wetin carry people dey be talk. All the tori dem so we go try for turn back for the tori dem as wey e be happen for number 31 day for inside number 5 moon 2017. Na so too we go take una go for Miami. We go tell una say people dem they don't run comot for Miami for Sika say wetin for Sika all the palava wey dey happen for northwest and southwest. All the one dem so plus even one dem wey newspaper dem talk we go bring am this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say wetin say na cock for orphan e dey ever dey easy for kill am for stranger when e come. I say na cock for orphan e dey ever be easy for kill am when stranger e come. Na on Etuge Divine for side for Isokolo for Limbe. Na he send with big part talk. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. We dey glad for meet up una for this side. So for Equinox Story House, as so don't talk for morning time, we go surely turn back for that Tory way come up for that side. So for Long Street for Boyam, where some Okada boy way in know the wash his skin. Okada people then say they decide for join money, buy clothes, buy soap, buy all the way they feel for washi. They carry go wash it for inside water. Tomorrow I go surely show another image where come up for that side so for Boyam. Now for that side so for Long Street. Yes, Long Street now quarter for inside Boya. We go left that chapter. We take una go one time for place where they call them say West Region. Yes, for West Region we go take una go for Bafang inside some village for day. Now compound this for the boy where they call am say Martial. People they ask say na wetin fit happen. Now rob that. You dey say I rob it there no for down. Na human being don't hang. Na food and that. Now more na no ask and say ambassador why no show we hate. I no go show na the hate. I no go show na. Now family people then that. Where all man he don't hold hand for inside him middle foot. Now waiting he happen with him Martial. Someone that he talk say Martial see fine boy. See fine boy, Chatua Martial. Where if for the do better work, he come out, he go hang himself for Sika say. Someone they say they don't deny say they no one go make knock door for woman. Other one they talk say they so woman for Martial, he be the sick. Papa they no want to say make the joy married. All the kind talk then. So now Martial they come for that. Martial enter for house for 9 o'clock. 11 or 10 o'clock they want can find Martial. They know they see Martial. Martial don't turn so he disappear. Only for them for tonton sote for some time. They want me to Martial we don't have for top stick. Now rob that. Now Martial the food and that for that. He kill himself for Sika woman. And for Sika say they deny say make he no marry woman. All the one they so con the people. Now way he dey so he make people they say they ask na question them. I say people they ask question them inside that palava. So for this boy where he take his own hand. He take his own hand. Say he tie rope. Put his head for inside. He kill himself on top woman. For Sika say they say he no get for do no or they never do knock door for woman. Now which kind of thing be that? Now which kind of thing be that? Anyhow, we go talk Asia for the Chatua family for that side so for Bafang. Manadin, make we find that interview for that woman where he talk so for that place. Now some mommy says we will be meet up for that side. Make we try for year whether that mommy e tell we wetin wey e really pass for Martial. Yes, as I be say no be there for line up, but make we turn we find am for inside that we cooking pot.
For Bapunge, a brother don't go put roof for your neck, a hanger for up it there for proper woman. Say woman don't come on marry. You go for their tongue. Because say you go down and down for proper woman. People we don't know. You don't pass you. Because don't die for proper woman. You don't go hand for up you die for proper woman. Say man they show you very papa. Woman say you get na one papa. Papa no day too. That you don't go die you so. People never see for this in it. Where they find that boy. So they cream where they never see him. But some woman one fan pray where is all day. And one go for laugh for bush butter where don't have so they die. For monitor. They see you where don't die. Some Tony Christmas suit for how you go for come up for us. You know they.
Yes, as I talk, that story for the 31-year-old boy wey that way they call it say Martial, Chatua Martial. The story dey some kind. Someone they talk say Papa they deny for go make knock door. So one they talk say Martial a woman no be well, so they no be get for make knock door. Mami wey just talk now, he get na him own verse and for story where he talk say woman don't run house. So Martial talk say na he had that. So the story dey some kind. But anyhow, we go so continue for make investigate on top that palava die where 31-year-old boy he go hang himself so he die for palava for woman for that side for Bafang. Now inside Douala here, they say Sawe road he pass, better he dey follow. I say Sawe road he pass, better he must to follow. We go take una for quarter for John White. The quarter, their roads na for cry. All thing for inside the quarter, you get hold them, whatever you don't turn up. Then when rain e fall for here, you see how they don't put that place or that place, no? You see that place, they don't hire pump for that place. For money, in front door, in a place. All place on a water. I say water, they cover the whole place for inside quarter for John White. John White, he then for whose side? Now for Mabanda. See, that mommy, so if you no put that thing for up, he no go fit for enter for a place. See, as we poto, he dey for all side for road. All the ones so normal. Now walkway dey so, now the big people themselves for that side they get for doa. But authorize e dey comot na for up. I say waiting, authorize e dey comot for ntone. Na ntone say get for can see. This population they dey suffer. When rain e fall for this place, na different level. I say na different level when rain e fall for inside that quarter. For that side where they call am say maye men, na different thing. Population no dey again. All people the way they dey for corner roads. More na know what the image e dey shake corner. Na person wey no sabi for whole camera fine. Na he be the doer. Na him say they dey call am na amateur. Una dey see image? Na maye men that. And this maye men na village for that side for Southwest. All population they don't run. Normal, all the place and so. Na place where people they make their business for corner road. Yes, na place where people they make business for corner road. But for Sika this gone, poor all sides. It don't make am plenty population. For Miami, they don't run enter Susungo. Now one of the best places in that way they ever should don't dream imbo. It don't lock. And even people that they say that Zwa for corner road, all man, it don't run enter Susungo. So for Sika waiting. For Sika this palava way they happen for Norwest and Southwest. Miami, it don't turn a time way. If you throw your 100 tang, you go hear the as well the thing the hello. Even for Sawe get for Shidon. All the places so na places where they enjoy. Place where people they make their business. Where people them for that side for Miami, all man, it don't enter Sosongo. I say it don't run enter Sosongo. Now, una sabi say na so we will be use our mop. We talk say mayor. If we go Chakara GO, if we go Chakara market for New Day do. for say he want am say make road e dey pass normal. E don make 3 weeks since wey mayor sesep e be go for that side for New Day Edo market for say he wan make am say make the place e clean, make road e open so that motor dey fit pass, dem no go knack man. We don turn back for New Day Edo market. Una see how wey mami dey say no. Mami dey don so turn back for road. They say they dey chakara their store there, their business place. They no give them some other business place so they get for Shidon. So they don turn back for corner road. So we dey ask na the mayor DO now. The work wey be go do am for day. And now wey the thing don so turn, so how you go do? He go meet all the mami then throw them crashing water, or you go do wetin? For Sika say now so mami they don sandai. They say they go turn back for road. They can't chakara their store there no. They say they no get place so she don say. Now so for that corner road. Now it means say mayor DO never do no nothing no. He never do no nothing. It means say they want try DO a half far for see whether DO go come again with his crash water. As I be say even na for Yawende. Oga Ntimi na ngomna delegate. He go just come on now with mami water. He can't throw away people the water for skin. People they run enter for Sosongo. But for here, no ask me. Small time accident go happen for corner roads. They go talk say ngomna people they know be don't do something. At least ngomna they don't try for do something. But they don't always worsen and worsen. For Sika say waiting. Ngomna be get for chakara so. Then he make space for people then for inside market. So that the fish should don for inside market sell. No be na say you go make away they no get space for inside. They so turn back for cancel for corner road. So New Day Edo market. Binet he don't turn back for corner road. They don't drive them. But Binet don't turn back for corner road. Mayor, una DO, una do to una get for do am better. I be talk say this afternoon we go talk tori for Bishop Benoit Bala as wey be happen. E be dey na number 31 day for inside number 5 moon 2017. The first way they be meet up am. We go talk the tori small. We go remind una the way be pass. Manadin, make we go for on top bridge for Ebebga. Now for that water, now for on top bridge come the people them. Now for on top bridge where they be meet up moto. Now for on top bridge where they be meet up moto for Bishop Bala. Where on top that bridge, on top the bridge country people them moto ide bebe they no see Bishop Bala. After some time, they find the bridge, they find Bishop Bala. So 3 days after, now when they see Bishop Bala, now for on top the plank, they be make small prayer. I say waiting. Now on top the plank, they be make small prayer before they carry am. People they can't spy am. Sister they say they can't look am. Father they say they can't look am. They say chai. So to throw our pikin don't die. After all that finding, they call the people there for a Ebebga, they glad they turn them back. After waiting he pass, Bishop them, they talk say they kill their brother, Benoit Bala. I say Bishop they talk say they kill their brother, Benoit Bala. And after all investigate, court he never so talk, so today. He don already knack 1 year since we man of God, he go 6 feet. And so today, they never feel for talk wetin wey be really happen for on top this power wey he die. Today na 1 year. We go so the member as well the thing e be pass. We go left that tori, we go for different side, country people them. Make we take una go for that side. So for Njongo route, na so they call the village. Njongo route, as well they call the village country people them. Now for that side, say we Bishop from Konsamba, he be go for them. Yes, Bishop from Konsamba be go for Njongo route. Now for their own church setup, we he be go for go see as we he go open the church house. He be then an official opening for the new church house for that side. So for Njongo route, now for inside Konsamba with this church he did. Now for Sika White that way Bishop setup from Konsamba, he be come out. He go make big mass for that side. After we finish, he make prayer. He prayer to say make peace. He turn back for the country. Sabi say all the talk where they be talk for that side. e be dey na for palava say wetin say make peace e turn back for country and make all thing eternal fine as wey e don ever be for inside country. So Njungu Roots dem own church too e don open, and na bishop sesep for that side so from Konsambam e go open the church as wey e be don ever be. So country people dem, na the thing that way pass for Njungu Roots church wey na their new church sesep for Catholic people them where they don't get their own place, that way they go fit for the glad, for the glad and for prayer for Papa God's in him. It be then a chapter for people themselves for dance and for glad, say last church it don't enter from Njungu Road. Make we hear Father for inside that church talk for Jackie Nomolo with microphone.
All we picking we there for here, any day in the worker for back for Jesus Christ. We beg them, say this good news, it touched them hard. For say any man, a chop commission for this occasion where we don't get them. I think say since today, from today, we go try for all any man inside hand for say all thing in worker farm. We don't pray with them. We don't make this 9-day prayer with all we yearns for here. I think say we go only talk for them say if a man war fan, God will help be.
Yes, it be then a palava too for prayer too for picking the way they be the right exam, and palava for pray too for peace for country. Some other two chief then too or notable them, they be talk for Jackie Nomolom in microphone. Make we hear them.
From today,
I think I fit talk for them say peace go beam. Governor go be careful for them. Peace go beam for Cameroon. No be security go. The beg say God bless. He gave power for governor. All things pass with the power for God. God will give sense and to go work a fun. And then we make exam fun. No problem, no go happen for them for God.
I fit talk say down problem between certain Anglophone. Cameroon is one country. We try together here in Jongo to work so that there's no problem. But when those problems begin in that side, children leave school there and come here. You don't find. I beg all my friends, francophone, anglophone, say we try for sit down, we discuss in family.
Yes, so now some big people than that for inside Njungu Road where they be talked to for Jacquino a microphone. Just for Sabi say inside this palava for Norwest and Southwest for Douala here, Mayor for Douala for Sesep, Ibi Wakam, go meet up with the Bafut community for inside Douala here. Oga Kum Frederick, it be then a time for talk say Cameroon na one and na one way we get for Shidon. It be meet up with the Bafut community for inside Douala here. It be then for chapter 2 for priest for them say even as well they do for them, may they sabi say all them they so join hand for do waiting for the so the prayer. Say may the palava for Norwest and Southwest it has get a big solution. So it be then a waka for meet up with the Bafut community them. Sabi say Bafut na people then say they come out for that side for Norwest, not just one of the people that they come out for Norwest. So may you be meet up with all them for talk inside this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Say may the shidon fine and may the sabi say Douala is also they open for all them. So may no man enough here. Now so make we enter for inside the palava for inside newspaper for talk say waiting. Newspaper, we get Toriwe newspaper, then say the talk the Guardian Post, where it dey for outside this afternoon, waiting, it get for talk. Inside the Guardian Post, they detail we say na some war or confusion, where it dey for that side, so for Bamendam, for Sideway Mosongem, it go shidon for happen that a meeting, where they talk palava for bilingualism and multiculturalism. This one, according to the Guardian Post, now for Sika say waiting, they say a church, a hall for a Presbyterian church in Tamulung where they be one use they don't turn back money, but Governor Adolphe Lele Lafrique is Sandai say they no go take back the money, say now for inside that hall they get for do two, they get for do am. So for inside the Guardian Post where they for outside you go read Tori where concern palava farming for country where they don't talk same all the kind of war crop them chop the whole the come out and for farm. Now for Sika say they know they take better statistics them for the way it used to happen inside inside the same tori you go read other thing wey concern custom people dem for Douala side wey they don't join hand for see as wey that work e go na only for before. Inside the post weekend that way dey for outside to country people them. The post weekend it dey for outside. It get its own tori for Terry. They talk say for Sika gun will be hala for some center for that side so for Southwest. All people that way they shidon for GCE. Now for Boya now so they don't shidon. Inside the same tori, they tell we say ni John Frundi, we na chairman for SDF. He don't talk say waiting. Say Isa Chiruma Bakari, we na Ngomna talk man, na big lie man. For Sika say waiting. He no talk the true talk for Palava this kill way be happen for that side so for Mencam for inside Santa subdivision. So for inside the Palava, ni John, he talk say men kunkumam, he try for find way where they go solve the problem where it happen for Northwest and Southwest. Now so to teacher them too for Anglophone, they don't write for Prime Minister for tell this waiting. GCE board, it don't despoil the goal. Say make the shidon straight. If no be so thing that go happen. United Nations Agency says it gets on Tori in the post weekend I talk they tell we say 80% for people the way they come up for Northwest and Southwest. They now so for inside bush. Now for the way they don't find their new house for Sika this palava way it happen for inside the two places where they talk Queen Elisa country talk for that side so for Northwest and Southwest. Other Tori the day where the post weekend e carry am. Nouvelle Expression says it dey for outside country people them waiting it dey for la Nouvelle Expression palava for Northwest and Southwest according to wetin Nouvelle Expression talk waka for Oga Peter Mafane Musongem for Bamenda. They talk say na strong waka wey e get for make am for that side so for Bamenda. So for inside Nouvelle Expression you go read tori wey consign Elekam wey dey tell say waiting say the new big man for Elekam e don already start sweep corner them comot am for inside the office. Inside the same La Nouvelle Expression you go read other small tori them wey e consign waiting e consign Douala 3 wey dey tell say mayor Seseb or mayor Iseseb e don talk say waiting people them wey e dey so they make this order them must to comot at the tongue na binet people them. Other tori they did them where you say you feel read them for inside La Nouvelle Expression where they for outside. So now the tori then that will bring them for this afternoon. Make una know say full tori for Queen Elisa. It go turn back for here for 6 o'clock. Then for 8 o'clock you go get tori for Emmanuel Macron in country talk. Mrs. Seb, I go turn back tomorrow for a talk tori as we pass. So make una hold am tight.